A University of Arizona researcher has found a new variant of COVID-19. He says the new strain is something to prepare for, but not panic over. 9 News Side's Lustelia Caballero has the story.
The virus is not a stationary target. It is evolving.
Michael Waraby is an evolutionary biologist at the University of Arizona. He says in his lab he's discovered a new strain of COVID-19, B.1.375.
It has a mutation in the spike gene that is shared with the lineage that's come to dominate the United Kingdom epidemic. So we're watching that one carefully.
Waraby says this strain is different than the one spreading rapidly in the UK. That one already making its way onto U.S. soil.
It hasn't been found in Arizona yet, but it's really only a matter of time. It's not something we want to panic about, but it is something we want to prepare for, and we want to realize that we're in a bit of a race here where we've got variants of this virus that are even more challenging than the ones that we had to deal with in 2020.
Challenging because he says folks with the variant in the UK carry more of the virus in their throats than those with the previous strain.
Like, maybe even 100 or 1,000 times more virus. And so it does follow then that if there's that much more virus present in the nasal passages of someone, that it's that much easier to pass on.
The big question with the new variants of the virus, will vaccines already developed for the original strain work?
The great thing about these vaccines is that for the most part, they actually generate a stronger immune response than natural infection. So my hope is that the vaccine is going to be extremely protective even against these antigenically adapted variants that are somewhat different than the vaccine strain.
U of A's top infectious disease expert agrees, saying COVID vaccines are particularly well suited to work on new strains because of their focus on the virus's spike protein.
When you respond to the vaccine, you develop a whole host of antibodies against a number of different pieces of the virus. So from what we know, we don't have any evidence that the vaccine shouldn't work easily against the new strain of virus.
The UK variant of COVID-19 has proven to be more contagious than the original strain, but not more deadly. That's according to the BBC. Waraby and his team still have a lot of work to do to figure out those same things about their newly discovered variant. Lustelia Caballero, KGAN 9, on your side.